So here's a secret from my own life, and that's I seem to have had like just a blind spot to narcissists and narcissism in general. And for most of my life, I didn't actually know what a narcissist was, much less how to protect myself from them. And trying to navigate a relationship with a narcissist is just kind of like, wandering through a foggy forest without a compass. Just find yourself bouncing off of trees and making mistakes and not even knowing where you are. Now, even with narcissists, there was always a few non-negotiables, like, don't mess with my car, don't even think about it. I set up the car the way I want it. You don't get to change anything in there. That's my car, that's mine. And it was great that I was able to set a boundary on that one thing. But what I wasn't was crystal clear on what I expected from narcissists on all other aspects of my life. I never took a moment to say, hey Miles, do you know why all these narcissists seem to be hanging around you? What is it about you that they seem to like? Nope. I would just basically let any single narcissist, stroll in and out of my life, just like a parade of clowns. And you know what? Sometimes I kept those narcissists in my life for far too long, sometimes years and years and decades. I just kept feeding them supply, and they just kept taking it, without ever checking to see if these narcissists were actually good for me. Does that sound familiar? Because I got a feeling that we all do it. We stick with a relationship with a narcissist long after they've overstayed their welcome. Like those, freeloading friends that always seem to show up to your uninvited family functions just for the booze and the free food. They don't even know anyone.